Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the Microsoft Store error 0x80070032 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is open the start menu and type troubleshooter or troubleshoot settings and hit enter. Select additional troubleshooters, one click, and scroll down and select the option of Windows Store apps, one click, and run the troubleshooter. And wait a moment. In this case, my solution is sync in with a Microsoft account. You chose any other solution in this window. Click on close and click on close and go to the start menu and type W is reset. In this icon, run command W reset, Windows Store reset, right click and select run as administrator. And wait a moment, don't close this window, can be patient. This process will take some time, depend of your internet connection speed. When the process is ending, open your store automatically. And this is all. Your problem has been fixed. To apply the change, I recommend restart your computer. And this is the solution. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.